Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to use LED Studio and the controller H807SA program using LED Studio. So first, before you dive into the LED Studio, you need to set the IP address. So that's what I'm going to do first, set the IP address. To set the IP address, you need to come here. The network, you need to come on Ethernet. On Ethernet here, on Ethernet, then you go on the first option, which reads change adapter option. Then you click on change adapter options. On adapter option, it will take you on this page where you can see all the network and internet. And on network and internet, you click here, which is written network cable unplugged. Here you click here, then you go on properties. You click on properties. On properties, it will take you on this page. On this page, you click here where it's written Internet Protocol version 4. When you click here, then you go to properties. You come here on properties, then you can see the IP address. So this is the IP address you need to set. So to set the IP address, first you need to remove the IP address, then you click here, then you set the IP address, which is 192.168.2.8. Down here we have this subnet mask. This one you don't need to set. If you just click here, it's going to come here. If you're done with setting your IP address, then you click OK. Let's move on to Lead Studio. So let me open my Lead Studio. Now my Lead Studio software is on. So first, what you need to do, you come on settings. So you need to create the new program. Then you click here on settings couple. Then you press OK. So if you press OK, it will take you on this page. On this page, you need to set the dimensions of your lead strip or the setup you are working with. Come here on File, then you click New. Here you can set the width and the height of your lead strip. Let's just put 60 here, 60, and the lead strip is just 1. So you can just put 1 here, the height. Then we come up with this pixel width design. So each box represents the pixel, each plus represents the pixel. So after that, you need to come here and change the sleeve number here. We are using this controller with 8 ports. So come here and then we change this sleeve number to 8 line because we are using 8-port controller. You can see now it's changed here. Then here is the connection mode. You can change which one you want to use. So with this one, you can just leave it like this. Let's mark here our line here. Let me drag it, then you can see now all the pixels are indicated. After choosing the slave line, you need to come here on net setting and click on multi setting here. Our controller IP address is indicated on the first here on top here. So if I click on top here to put your controller on online mode, you come here on the slave number and change to 1 because we're only using one controller. You come and change to 1 here. And then you press OK. You can see my light is on. So here you click on the last box here with the hammer to take you on this page. On this page, that's where you can choose the IC type number here. So let me click here. You can see we have different IC types here. We have DMX IC type and SPI IC type. You choose which one you are going with. Then here you choose which lamp light you are using. There's RGB. Choose which one you're using. And here is where you can test the color. So here you can see just for color testing, you click here, change to green, blue. You can do that. Click OK. So after that, if you feel everything is okay, then you click apply. Then you click exit. Let's close our Lead Studio and we go and create the effects. So to create the effects, click on this box. It will give you this box here. Then you click on the next blue box. So on the next blue box, you go on design window to create the effects. So take you on this page. So on this page, what you need to do first, you come on configure. You click configure here. On configure, it will bring you on this page, so you can choose which color you want your lead strip to be. So first I need to clear all the colors. So now you can choose which color you want. So let me go with red, yellow, green, blue. Let me just go with all the colors. And you click OK. Here on action, so you can choose which the action you want your color to, you want your effect to move or to rotate. So you have moving, symmetric, rotation. So let's go on rotation. On rotation here, you also you can choose how you want your lead strip or a panel to rotate. You just keep it on 2. So to test your effect, you come here on play, press play. So you can see my effect now is moving. You can see on my lead strip, my lead strip is moving like this. And after that, you press stop here. So to create the next effect, you do the same process. You come here, then you come here, then you design again, then configure here, clear all the line, then you choose the colors you want. Let me just choose all these colors, then I press OK. Then now I want it to move. Let me just move from right to left. So let me just place here. You can see now it's moving. You can see it's moving here. Moving here. I'm done. Then I'll press OK. That's all about creating effects using LED Studio and with the controller, ArtNet controller, which is H07SA. Thank you.